Sanibona bafethu, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngale win emnandi ngabafowethu. 5-0 amagoli abengaba maningi. I wanna just say big up, shout out to the gents ukuwina ngescore esinga, especially izosiza kuma-game kuma-goals because kuboya ngathi thina ne-dance yola kuze kuyophela. I'm confident ukuthi siyonqoba on the line. There will still drop point labantu and thina khona amagame esiwawina kanje. One thing this I liked ngethimu i-determination. Amajita uyabona ukuthi hungry. Into engingayithande we lack control game. Yazi kunama phases of a game where I believe ukuthi singaba better in terms of ukudlala khona. Ukubona ejimini if ndlala when nifuna kuba ne-possession and then kuba khona umuntu ofuna ukushayela iball and then you lose the momentum. I feel like sometimes we don't have to be quick. Kusinye isikhathi lapho singakontrola ibhola sidlale sihlale and lento leyo iyasiveza emagamini anjengano Sundowns or amagamini where sizowina ngo-1-0 where kumele sicontrole i-tempo of a game, i-opponent igijime ngendlela thina esithanda ngayo. So i-approach coach was very simple, more like a normal back four. Sibelebele, we're done to him. I wanna say we're done to Sibelebele, we're done to uNemtangela, we're done to Umbuthuma. One Sibelebele iy'nqumo zenzayo. It shows ukuthi there's work done behind the scenes. Usibelebele was an invert for the first time ngimbona. Normally beqhamuka wide. Kule game bedlala as an invert. How many balls are winning as a center? Ube overlapper more like going direct. Whenever sise hyphen your opponent, he comes in ukwenza like a triple number 10 bese kube khona on the right Apolis lento izothi sibe number eningi. I-risk esiyenzile was ukudlala ngo-number 8 uNemtangela benombatha. What happens is if usiqala ibhola usibelebele already uba kwi-half ye-opponent, lento yenza ukuthi i-opponent ingazi ukuthi okay ngokwabo babona ithuba lokusipressa because sekhona uSiyema uSibisi bese kuba uHotho bese kuba ngimbalotho bese kuba uNemtangela benombatha bese siqala nge4 emuva. So i-Arrows ibidlala nge-front 3 ya-Dijong uZwane bese kuba uSibiya. Now into kade beyenza befike bezama ukupressa uSiyema benoSibisi behind them. Into abeyenze good uNemtangela benombatha abayi ukuyodlala noSiyema babavumela ukuthi bapresse uSibisi while bepress uSibisi benoSiyema will find a pass behind them while bethola ipass behind them already Hotho benosibelebele bangale kwi-half. Kusho ukuthi sesi-eliminate 3 or 2 players phambili ngemuva sesibaningi thina neball. Now into enzakalayo uSibisi benosiyema they pass the ball bashifte forward ukwenza i-rest defense. So lento yenza ukuthi uNemtangela benombatha babe more forward. Let's go to uNemtangela. Into abengayenzi confidence ubedlala as a number 6 uma ngabe collector but enza ama-runs on the line, ama-runs aya forward, ama-passes le goal alithoyile because ufike waphasa ibhola walandela and then when the cross of which is very good. We're looking for this kind of a midfielder, so pick up well done boy. Let's go to Umbuthuma. One thing aba ayenze kahle was ama-1-2 he's getting better. Ama-1-2 uyakwazi ukusinika ama-foul where it matters, where kumele mhlampe uyi-1 akwazi ukuvikela ibhola of which physically ubeleka. So it's very good. Namara nakhe are very good. Uzolithola ithuba lokuthi akore of which ngisakhala nge-striking force angikhali ngaye kule game. I wish emagamini kanje singaba ne-track ezikorayo. Yes, i-system yethu rely ko number 10 but emagamini avulekile kanje I would want ukuthi score a striker. So but work done, pick up to a team. Let's go to the next one. Ibe a very difficult team opponent kule ground labo encane but I'm ready to put some of you to be now. Thank you.